before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video. Good news guys, Grok is back with something really interesting. I just discovered that Grok has a new image generation feature right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to access and how to use it to create images and videos. And the interesting part is that you can actually test the feature without paying for it upfront. If this is your first time on my channel, I make videos just like this, showing you guys different ways to use some of the most powerful AI videos and image generation tools for free. So if you love this type of videos, don't forget to go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. So with that said, let's jump right into today's tutorial. Alright guys, so to get started, we first of all need to create a new Grok account. And to do that, I want you to come over here to this platform called tempmail.org. This is basically where you can get temporary email addresses. You can create accounts as many as you can. Now, if you are getting an email address, make sure you get an email that has .com. So once you get it right here, just go ahead and copy it, head over to Grok to create a brand new account. All right, so all you need to do is to open your Google and type Grok, and it's gonna take you right here. So to create an account, all you need to do is to come over here, click on sign up. It's gonna open up and take you right here. Now there are several ways you can create your account. You can create your account using your email, you can create an account using Apple or using Google. So I'm going to be selecting sign up with email, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the email I copied over here on the temp mail. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign up. Grok is going to send a verification code to the email address we copied on temp mail. So all you need to do is to go ahead and either refresh or just scroll down here. You will see that Grok has sent us a verification code. If you did not see it, simply go ahead, click on refresh here, and you should be able to see the verification code. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on it. I'm just going to go ahead, copy the code right here. I'm going to come back here and paste in the code. After that, you can see here, it's going to ask me some basic information here, which I'm going to just go ahead and enter anything right here. All right, so after that, they are going to ask you to create a password. After that, I'm going to go ahead and click on complete sign up, and you can see it redirecting us here to Grok. Alright guys, so we just created our account. Now the next thing you need to do is to come over here and click on imaging. Once you click on it, it's going to take you right here, and over here you can generate images and you can also generate videos as well. But if you click on agent right here, you'll be required to pay. So forget about the agent. Let's just go ahead and try generating an image first, then we create a video. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here, and I'm going to come over here and select the aspect ratio as 16:9. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate, and you can see right here the images are currently generating. Guys, we are using this completely free, so make sure you go ahead and try this out right now as it is currently working, because it may not work again in few days to come. So you can see right here the images has been generated successful, as you can see right here. Now if you want to make any of these images to a video, you can just go ahead and click on any of them here and make it a video. Now that is for images. We are not interested in turning these images to video. Let's go ahead and create videos itself. So I'm just going to come back here and click on video here. So I'm going to come over here and paste in my prompts. Now if you have a reference image, you can actually go ahead, click on this plus icon here, upload a reference image, use it to generate your video. But I don't have it currently, so I'm just going to make use of text to generate my video. Now if you are trying this for free, they will not allow you to generate videos up to 720p, so you just have to stick to 480p. As for the duration, they only allow you to generate 6 seconds video, because if you try to go up to 10 seconds, they will ask you to pay for it. So just go ahead, cancel that and stick to 6 seconds. But if you are a paid member, you can generate up to 15 seconds. But remember, we are doing this for free. The aspect ratio, once again, we are going to leave it for 16:9, then hit generate. And once we hit generate, you can see the video is currently generating. and it didn't take a lot of time. You can see instantly the video has been generated. Now you can also regenerate it right here, just in case you don't like what Grok gave you. You can also extend the video by clicking on extend here. You can also scale it, click here to share, or you can just go ahead and download it to your laptop or your mobile phone. So to download, just go ahead and click on this download button right here, and it will be downloaded successful on your mobile phone or your laptop. Now the important thing is, don't wait too long before testing this feature, because free access and limits can change at any time. So go right now, check your account, test the image generation feature, and see what you get. Now if you found this video helpful, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this for you guys. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.